Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Galaxy Watch to a new phone. First, you will need to factory reset your Galaxy Watch. To do this, go to Settings, then General, and select Reset. Confirm the reset, and your watch will restart as if new. Remember to back up any important data to your previous phone before initiating this process, ensuring all your fitness and activity records are safely stored. This prepares your watch for a fresh start with your new device. Next, on your new phone, search for and install the Galaxy Wearable application. You can find this app in your phone's respective app store. For Android, it's the Google Play Store, and for iOS, it's the App Store. Once the application is downloaded and installed, open it up. This app is essential for managing your watch's settings, customizing watch faces, and receiving notifications directly on your wrist, so take your time with this step. With the Galaxy Wearable app open, select Start, and then choose your specific watch model from the list of available devices. Your phone will now search for your watch via Bluetooth. Once your watch is detected, a 6-digit pairing code will appear on both your phone and your watch screen. Verify that these codes match exactly, then tap Confirm on your phone to establish the secure connection. This handshake ensures only your devices connect. Gently place your floured sole fillet into the hot pan, ensuring you do not overcrowd it. Cook in batches if necessary. Sear the first side for about 2 to 3 minutes until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and a crispy texture. Carefully flip the fillets using a thin spatula and cook the second side for another 2 to 3 minutes. The sole is perfectly cooked when it flakes easily with a fork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.